Hey everybody, this is your friend Cyril, and in this video I want to show you Tube Tracker. It's an application which will let you track your rankings for your YouTube keywords, your YouTube channels, and this is gonna make it very simple for you to keep a tab on your own channels and also on your competitors' channels. This is the best-in-class YouTube tracking application. When you run the software, you will see this screen which will let you either create a project or you can actually use an existing project. Now I have a project here, but I want to show you how to create a project. I want to show you all the things connected to that. So let's start with creating a new project. And here you'll be asked for some project information. So let's give it a project title. So let's call this, for example, my test. And you'll be asked for the YouTube channel URL. This is the URL of the channel that is your home channel or your main channel, compared to which you will actually track rankings for all the other channels. So let's put in a channel URL over here. And below that, you can actually mark out all the YouTube regions that you want to work with. I'm going to leave it to YouTube Worldwide and Google Worldwide. Click on OK. You'll be asked to save the project file. So save it somewhere. And that's going to open Tube Tracker, and as you can see, this is the Tube Tracker interface. We've got a number of interesting options. Tube Tracker is divided into two sections, the keyword section and the competition section. In the keyword section, we actually track for keywords, any keyword that you put in, and in the competition section, we try to analyze how our competitors are doing. Let's start by grabbing some keywords, and we can do that by using the suggest keyword button over here. It'll open the suggest keywords dialog, and we can enter one root keyword. Let's just enter one keyword and press OK. Now it's processing. It's going to get us a lot of keywords. So you can see the keywords right over here. Here are the top keywords that you can use, which are connected to this niche that I've put in, and just copy it and close. It's time to add some keywords to the software now. So let's click on add keywords box over here and put in that one keyword for this. And then you need to select which video you want to target. So just click on, right now we don't have any videos at all, so just click on add new video, and then you need to put in your video URL, put it, and then click OK. This keyword is now added to the database. So now you got the video title, the keyword, the total number of views, the daily views, because it's the first day, so now it's still 0, but then as we go into the second day, it's gonna get the data. And you can see that YouTube Worldwide, the ranking is number 1, and Google Worldwide, for this keyword, the ranking is number 4. So the ranking data is already available, and now it's gonna be monitored on a daily basis. And you can see this graph right over here, and on this graph you will see a visual graph. As the days progress, you will see a visual graph which will show you exactly how your rankings are progressing. And here you can see all sorts of views. You can see a weekly view, monthly view, or even a view for the entire year. And you can see different search engines. If you want to go for Google, you can go for Google, and you can have multiple keywords. So I'm just adding another keyword and another video over here. Press OK, and now it's getting the data. And now you can see the second video too. The data is all here, and if you scroll over here, you can see the data in a visual format too. So this is the keyword interface. You can actually choose the region too. If you want to add in more regions, just click on the region you want to add, and you can go for exactly your local country's market and see how the keywords are doing for your market. Anytime you want to refresh and see the latest rankings, click on check rankings, and the software is going to fetch the data from online, from the internet. And export data is to export all this info into a CSV. If you want to do some spreadsheet analysis, you can export the data into a CSV, take it to your favorite spreadsheet and do the analysis over there. And you can delete any keyword you want if you want to. And in competition, it's got a similar interface. You can actually compete on the basis of keywords. So you can select which region you want to target. And the keywords you want to target, of course, you need to add. If you don't have any keywords already added into competition, you need to add your own video, and you need to add your competitor's video. And then this software is going to keep a daily track of how you are doing versus your competitor. So it's going to track the video views, it's going to track the subscribers, and it's going to track the rankings. So you will know exactly how you're doing against your competitor on a daily basis. So if you need to make any tweaks, you can do that. Similarly, it's got the channel data for competition too. So put in your channel, put in your competitor's channel, and it's gonna tell you on a daily basis how your channels are doing. So if you add any new videos, or if your competitors add any new videos, you will come to know about those videos, and you will also see how many subscribers they're adding on a daily basis. You will see how many views they're getting on a daily basis, and all of that info is going to help you understand where you stand in front of your competitors. And finally, video, if you want to track competition for specific videos for different keywords, you can do that. Just add a video over here, add your competitor's video, and you will see all the data on it on a daily basis. And of course, at the bottom half, you will see all the graphs, and all of that is going to make sense because it's going to help you understand visually what growth is there and what you need to do. So this is Tube Tracker. What I've shown you is a very quick and a brief summary. It's an easy to figure out software. You can see the buttons right over here. We've designed it to keep it simple. And once you get started with it, you will be able to figure out more things as you go. The features are all over here. Only in this screen, there is nothing else to figure out apart from here. But the data that it collects is very invaluable, and it's going to help you rank better and better. And it's going to help you understand how you're doing in front of your competition and what you need to do to get ahead. I hope you use it and you enjoy this software.